And this is a final walkthrough of almost finished basement bathroom project from scratch, because we are still waiting for the glass, but have everything in. Oh, what a nice reflection of the mirror on the tile. Yeah, because it's nice and highly polished with this champagne bronze finish on the fixtures, and ceiling mounted shower head will be pushed as high as possible, but can still tilt it if we need to. And we played with the large format tiles to get at least a little bit of a connection across the corners, connecting the veining, and if we had the identical one, at least we turn it around to make it flow a little bit. So, and this is the first time we did this. It's a Schluter shelf set into the tile, and again some golden details with all the golden edging, and we have a channel on the ceiling and on the wall. The glass will sit on the curb, and we'll have a little 4-inch return to keep the water in. But just to be on the safe side, we installed this tile a little longer out of over the curb to keep the drywall protected, just in case. So yeah, that little ring is super cool as a reflection of the lit up mirror. Just need some towels, and again the glass is coming next week, and this is in full service now. So this was a very interesting one. Thank you for watching, thank you for following the project, and we'll start another fun one next week, so stay tuned for more.